Welcome friends, welcome back to Divine Designs 24. My name is Tammy. And if this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm going to be working on a little bear today. This is a Let's Resin bear. And I've got him turned inside out because I want to decorate him up a little bit. But when he is all done, he's going to look like he is knitted or crocheted. He's got little ribbons in him, so that it looks like he's been crocheted. But I want to put some colors in him first because he has little eyes here, nose. I'll probably do those with markers though afterwards. But I have some powder here that I want to just kind of decorate up some of the highlights on him. It doesn't have to be a lot, because I will be pouring some resin in here too, but I just want to kind of just highlight those little spots on him, give him a little bit of color, a little dimension. But just the outside. I don't want to do the inside of him. Or all of it, because I want the resin to have some color on him also. So I just want to highlight the tops here. Because he's going to be a cute little bear. And all this is just a light blue. And it'll be kind of a different color when we're done, because all I'm doing is just doing this. But whenever you put colored resin in, it's going to change the color a little bit anyway. See how I'm doing just the tops of it. But he's going to be all nice and prettied up and look nice. Then when we're all done, I'll do his eyes and his nose. I can paint that with the markers. I didn't want to just make him all one color. Wanted to fix him up here a little bit. Because we can do what we want to do. When you do yours, you can make it any color you want. But this is how I'm doing mine. All right. Look at there. He's gonna be so cute. Where I've missed, where I need to add more color. think he looks pretty good. Okay, let me get some resin made up, and we will be back to pour the resin in him. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I have black resin made up. I'm gonna put that behind the blue, and we'll see how it turns out. Maybe we'll just see all black, but hopefully we'll see some of the blue. I want to do this kind of slow because I don't want to cause air bubbles. I want to get all those little around where his ears are. But I don't want to mess it up too much because I want to push on it. I got the blue in there. Okay. We'll put some more in here and then we'll squish it around some more. Get any air bubbles out of there. Okay. Do it some more. Okay, I did almost 6 ounces. It was like 5 3/4, but almost 6 ounces. I was gonna do 5 and I got a little heavy-handed. So I did almost 6 and that's filling it up. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I only have, let's see, what do I have left? Maybe 1/2 ounce. I have not even 1/2 ounce left. So this took a little more than I had thought I was gonna do. I'm glad I didn't make just the 4 or the 5 ounces. I did almost 6. Okay, we're gonna leave this sit. I'll find something to put that in. I got something small around here somewhere. And we will be back for demold on this. We'll be right back. We are back for demold. We're going to take out this little bear and see how he looks. I have some embellishments here to see if there's anything that I want to do to him. But oh my gosh, is he going to be cute. He is going to be a very, very cute little bear. Out of the mold. Oh my goodness. Let me get a paper towel here so we can take a good look at him. Look at him. Isn't he cute? And looks just like he's knitted or crocheted. However you want to whatever you want to say it is, crocheted or knitted. But that is so cute. I'm going to have to find my markers. See what I did with them. They're right here. And we'll get some black out, and we're going to do his eyes and his nose. These are just Let's Resin acrylic markers. And we will do up his eyes and his nose. Oh, I love doing the blue with the black background. That is just gorgeous. Very, very pretty. And let's do his eyes up here. Make it look like he's got little button eyes. They look just like little buttons. Do his nose. Oops. Oh, these are cute. There we go. Look at there. Got little eyes on him, little nose, do his mouth. Now let's see, do we want to do any kind of embellishments on him? He is so cute. Maybe we'll just do a little bit right here. Just do a little. I think I'm going to use the white. I got blue out too, but I think I'm going to use the white. Just because I like to put a little bit of glam on my stuff. Got to glitter them up. Let's see. Go up. Okay. We'll just do a little row right here. Just to add a little bit of glitter. Little bit of sparkle. But he is really cute. I'll put his mold down in the show notes. The link to his mold. There we go. I don't think I'm going to do anything else. I think that's going to do it. Just put little glitter on his toes. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. And there he is. I'll take pictures of him. Look at that. It looks just like he's been knitted. I hope you can see how beautiful he is. But he is gorgeous. Okay, there is the knitted bear. Isn't he cute? Okay, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of this bear. I think he's adorable. He is so cute. And I want to thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Bye now.